Looking for eco-friendly barbecue accessories? You've come to the right place. We're exploring great products to elevate your grilling game. Stay tuned as we dive into these amazing products. Meet the extra-large Silicone Pad, your barbecue's best friend. Crafted from food-grade silicone, it's perfect for applying rubs and seasonings with ease. This silicone pad certainly makes barbecue prepping easier and greener. Next up, the Reusable Vacuum Food Storage Bag, a game changer in food storage. Its reusability and vacuum sealing capability make it portable and eco-friendly. With this product, you're not just storing food, you're saving the environment. Master the grill with our 3-set barbecue grill tools. Premium stainless steel ensures durability, while the easy cleanup keeps grilling eco-friendly and efficient. Get ready to grill like a pro with the 5-piece Ultimate BBQ Accessory Kit. Essential, durable tools to elevate your barbecue experience. This kit isn't just a must-have for barbecue enthusiasts, it's a must-have for the planet. Elevate your cooking game with an LMETJMA utensil set and measuring spoons. Heat-resistant, non-stick, and a breeze to clean. Cooking has never been so smooth and eco-friendly. Highlighting durable, stylish, eco-friendly bags, a stand for sustainability. That wraps up our must-have eco-friendly barbecue accessories. Remember, each choice contributes to a healthier planet. Choose eco-friendly barbecue accessories and make a difference today.